Hey guys, welcome back to my laundry room. I want to show you something about my antenna testing procedure. Hang on. Hey guys, I hope you're well. Sorry about the fan noise in the laundry room here. It's hot. I'm not turning it off. I'd like to talk to you about something, and I don't mean the wobbly pop. There's a problem with that wobbly pop. Oh, it's delicious, all right. Miller highly recommended. Very good beer. Established 1903? It tastes like it. They've been perfecting their craft for a long time. And yet, there's a problem. Guys, I'm right-handed. Now, let me grasp this package, this container, in such a manner fitting for me to drink. See how my thumb crushes in the can a bit? Well, that places the top at the perfect angle for me to drink, to take a sip. Watch what happens when let's say I took a drink, I set it down. Do you see a problem, guys? Oh, I do. Their marketing team needs correction. That label right there should be front and center when I set that can down like that. What, do you want to hide your brand? But I digress. I want to talk about some CW and my antenna testing procedure. One moment. Okay, I did turn the fan off. So, a little while back, I got an email from a nice guy, ham radio operator, that also uses the RBN skimmer system to do antenna testing, like I do, right? Now, let's say I go to do a little antenna testing one day. You know, I go to dxmaps.com or to RBN network, and I see that I see my call listed at about 32 words a minute when I haven't been on the air at all. You know, that's what happened to this fellow. And he emailed me to ask if it might have been me sending incorrectly or poorly or something. And I wanted to talk to you about that because it's entirely possible. His call sign suffix is one of those that you see, right? Mine is NK, but depending on where you place the space, it could be any of those. KA, CT, TAA, KET, NNT, NTA. And, and so I emailed him back and told him, I always do my antenna testing at 21 words per minute, always. And although I do get sloppy, I do get in a hurry with the test that I send. And see, guys, I recorded this video the other day, but I'm redoing it. And you may see when I start sending here that my test often sounds like NST. I run my T and my E together. But I always key carefully when I sign my call sign because I'm antenna testing. I want them to identify me correctly, And usually I settle down. I send the word test 5 times in a row, and usually I settle down. So I'm going to pause you. One moment. Okay, guys, I'm on 15 meters. I've already listened for a moment. There is no activity. I heard a couple signals in the phone portion of the band, but that's where I'm going to do my antenna testing, and we'll look online to see if any skimmers got me. Okay, I'm going to try to send how I usually do when I'm antenna testing when you're not watching me. I'll try to be sloppy like I do in the real world condition. So let's give it a test. Let's give it a go. I'm using my Michigan Cacti Vertical. My SWR is about 1.3 to 1. So here we go. And that's how I do it every single time. I send the word test 5 times, DE, N8NK 3 times. I'll wait a couple seconds, I'll always send it out, the sequence. I'll always send it at least a couple times. And let's try again. Then we'll look online. I like to take a listen after I do that. The band's in terrible condition, although I have heard a couple DX operators on 15 a little bit ago. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I was going to say something. Oh, I have to laugh when somebody tries to work me, when they hear me doing an antenna test. When that happens, I'll I'll wait a minute or two, and then I'll send ANT test, ant test, ant test, 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 ant test, 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 and then my call sign. One moment. Now, this is reversebeacon.net, right? And I'm filtering on my call sign right here. I'm the DX. No spotters heard me on 15 meters, nor did they hear me. This is just another view of the same skimmer data, but nothing. I'm going to try again on 20 meters. Hang on. Yeah, let's give it a go. 14.052.7. I already listened. It was clear a moment ago. See if anyone's trying to work me. No. We'll see what happens. And regarding sloppy timing, it makes you sound human. Please don't try to send like a machine. Oh my God, it's the worst. It's the worst CW on the whole planet to copy. It's so goddamn boring. Hang on. Wow, check it out. Reversebeacon.net detected my test on 20 meters, right? By an NT6 in California and a CX6. Excuse me for that. God. Anyway, oddly, dxmaps.com hasn't displayed my call yet, and I thought they used there we go. I do like this website, just if you just want to sit there and dick around. It's a clean interface. Yeah, I guess that's the most I can zoom out. I've got the page zoomed in because of the ad on the left, the ad nag. I get rid of it by zooming in and then sliding off to the right. Anyway, that's how I do my testing. So, if you're the fellow that emailed me, I told you I'd try to make a video of my testing procedure, and that's how I do it. So, it's always done at 21 words per minute, always. If not 22, sometimes 22, but I don't deviate from that these days. And I sometimes get a little bit sloppy with the word test, but never my call sign. And so, yeah, curious, huh? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're well. I hope I don't burn dinner tonight again. That's a marketing blunder, man. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye now. Antenna testing. I think I'm ready. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. That was stupid.